Welcome to Applied Engineering and Machining. If you're not familiar with machining, it's the process of removing or cutting metal or other materials to arrive at precise shapes. Oftentimes nowadays that's done with state-of-the-art equipment like the Haas CNC mills and lathes at the Mid-East Machining Lab, and these machines are able to make incredibly precise shapes in various sizes. Everything as small as watchmaking parts to as large as shafts for large trucks. The US and Ohio has seen a significant resurgence in demand for machinists and machined products with the reshoring of manufacturing over the last few years. Some of the things that we think you should consider if your son or daughter is looking at the Applied Engineering and Machining program at Mideast is, number one, it can be a great way to continue on your education with either a 2 or 4-year college program. Number two, machining is often done in a very clean and safe work environment. It may not be what you think of from the factories of yesteryear, which were dark or dirty or dangerous. Many of the machine shops, even those here in Central Ohio, are incredibly clean and incredible facilities to work in. Number three, upward mobility. Again, you have the option to pursue a 2 or 4-year degree, or you can go straight into industry where your career can start as a CNC operator or a machinist, but your career can continue on, whether that's with engineering, whether it's at a leadership position, whether it's being a decision maker, or perhaps a tool and die or advanced machinist position. Number four, it's a strong job market. According to Ohio Means Jobs, there are over 1,800 annual job openings in career fields like CNC programming, tool and die makers, machinists, and machine tool operators. And those wages range from $36,000 up to almost $50,000 per year. And lastly, entrepreneurship. There's a huge element of machining and manufacturing that plays a role in entrepreneurship. So you don't just have to think about being a machinist at a large company or a large factory. Perhaps you want to open your own machine shop or work for one of the many small job shops in Central Ohio that help service and support our local industry.